Hello everyone, I'm Chuck Gordner from Moneyman4438 Marketing, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Intrinsic Value Calculator for my All-In-One Trading Journal. The first place for you to start would be the analysis date. So you would click here. If you're in the current year, you can put the month, the day, and hit tab, and it will put the year in for you. Then type in the stock name and then the stock symbol. And to get your figures for the Intrinsic Value Calculator, you'll want to come over here and click this link, and it will take you where you can get the fundamentals for this calculator. We'll just use fake numbers for the benefit of this video. So for your operating cash flow, you might have had 2,000,000.08. So you'll come over to your billion converter. 23.08 translates into 23,000,080. 23,000,080,123 plus 3 more zeros. Short-term debt might have been 50 million plus 6 zeros. Long-term debt might have been 100 million plus 6 zeros. Cash equivalent might have been 500 million plus 6 zeros. Your growth rate, your estimated per share growth rate might have been 4.54. That will carry over to your 6 to 10 year growth rate. Now, if the growth rate was expected to be over 15%, then it's going to only max out at 15%. If this is stock that's from China, then you would come over to the currency, select from the drop-down box the Chinese currency. That you can see then goes to 20%. Anything but China is going to max out at 15%. The number of shares, 9,555,000. Only 3 zeros after that. That populates your projected cash flow and your discounted value. You'll be looking in your video where it shows you to get the beta. If the beta was 6.5%, then that's going to calculate out automatically this new evaluation. All of those figures would then come over to this section of your calculator. It appears that the premium discount's way too big for this area to be in because we threw in some pretty wild numbers there. But you would get a premium discount here for your stock based on these figures. Your intrinsic value, your final intrinsic value would be here. You would place in your current stock price. That might be $210. Here's the reason this was too big was because I didn't have the current price in. So you can see if you don't fill in everything, then you're going to have some errors. Once this is completed, it's going to give you a graph that you can view temporarily for this particular stock. After this is all done and you want to evaluate another stock, then you can save this to a new row. It will then clear your form, place the work that you've done down at the bottom, and you can start evaluating another stock that might be in your portfolio. You can also use the intrinsic value for the day, which is the exact same calculator. You may be looking at stocks for day trading. You may be looking at stocks for swing trading. You may be looking at stocks to core trade that aren't yet in your portfolio. You can use these other 3 intrinsic value calculators to do the homework necessary to check out the fundamentals and get a final intrinsic value on a stock for either future day trading, swing trading, or core trading. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then smash the like. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for updates and training. Click the notifications icon if you want to get more videos like this. And with all this being said, we hope to see you on the money train.